Proceedings wrapped up fairly quickly this morning, so just take us through it. Were both parties represented, and as for the way forward, where could this end up?
Yes, Natasha, it was quite a short application here brought by government indicating that they had no jurisdiction whatsoever to arrest Omar al-Bashir, considering that he's a sitting president. And the argument centers around the international customary law, which indicates that a sitting president cannot be arrested. While the South African Litigation Centre's argument is that this matter is moot, considering that Omar al-Bashir has already left the country and is in Sudan, saying that the South African courts are quite clear that there should be no argument arguments centered around a person who's not in the country. And that's really what this court has to consider. It was a full bench today, as well as the judges will consider what happens now going forward. The South African government wants this matter to be appealed at the Supreme Court of Appeal, saying that a different court will come to a different conclusion. A different court will say perhaps that government had no obligation whatsoever to arrest Omar al-Bashir. And if Judge Dustin Mulambo's argument is anything to go by, he indicated the importance of this matter. So he brings some sort of inference that this matter could end up at the Supreme Court of Appeal. And I remember the argument made by the Chief Justice Mogoeng, I think it was last month, where he was speaking at a function, saying that he believes that this matter will end up at the Constitutional Court, because government believes that this is a Constitutional Court matter that could really end up at the Constitutional Court. And if you look, for instance, at the political arguments that the ANC has put through, what would have happened had government arrested Omar al-Bashir, a commander-in-chief of Sudan? Would that be as good as declaring war against Sudan?
Aldrin, thank you very much. We leave it there. That's Aldrin Sampear live from the North Gauteng